touchdown in the airport.
I'm feeling very happy. You know, I'm happy that Jamaica is able to host, I would say, high-profile matches. Having Messi and other high-profile players here, it makes Jamaica look good. And I'm also proud of Cavaliers, the fact that they get to play with some of the most outstanding players in the world and to compete with them. Very proud of Cavaliers, and that is why I put my money where my mouth is. We made a contribution of $10 million to Cavaliers to be prepared for this match. I said, Messi, can I hug you? And he said, yes. And you see, I got a big hug. He says, I love Jamaica and I'm happy to be here.